Here's Amanda. She's playing in her new swing, and she seems to like it quite a lot. She's quite content. We've just got it on a very slow speed, but she seems to like it. What do you think, sweetie? Yeah. And the little orange cat just came to our door, so we just looked at the kitty cat too, didn't we? You weren't quite sure what to make of that, were you? Yeah. So that's Amanda and her new swing. It's got a little mobile at the top. Oh, and here's our new cabinets. Speaking of which, it's all about Amanda these days, but this is our new cabinets. We're waiting for the desk countertop to be installed. Other than that, they're pretty much done. Oh, and that will have, that's a custom built-in, and that will have doors too. So, try to utilize all of our space. So there we go, and there's our honey bunch. Say hi! Yeah, cutie patootie. Yeah, she's wearing a pretty blue sweater today. Yeah. Over and out.